Stock Watchers, and welcome to your daily stock report brought to you by QualityStocks.net, where performance is tracked daily. I'm Cathy Rankin, and yes, it's Friday, May 25th, and we're bringing you the latest news from around the markets, as well as the top movers to look out for today, and it's a three-day weekend. In headline news today, after showing some fatigue all week, new evidence that diminished the prospect of a Fed rate cut anytime soon pulled the rug out from under equities on Thursday. Before the bell, April durable orders checked in with their third straight increase, and the March figure was upwardly revised to 5%. Core capital equipment, often considered a barometer of business investment trends, posted a healthy 1.2% rise, further suggesting that the underlying trend in orders might be rebounding after a soft period. Also out at 8:30 Eastern Time were weekly jobless claims. They rose for the first time in 6 weeks, increasing to 311,000, but were still at a very low level to suggest tight labor conditions. Also comforting, especially to homebuilders, was the supply of unsold homes. It fell to a 6.5-month supply from an 8.1-month supply in March, as median prices plunged the most since 1970. While the data initially eased concerns about the severity of the problems in the new home market, lifting the major averages to session highs, the day's reports also reined in the hopes of those expecting a rate cut anytime soon. The housing report was a net positive for stocks as it lessened the downside risks, but a market seemingly ripe for a pullback viewed the questionably bad news with respect to the interest rate scenario as an excuse to take money off of the table ahead of the holiday weekend. All 10 economic sectors lost ground, while utilities was getting hit the hardest. Energy was another disappointment, as the absence of its leadership offset a 2.3% plunge in oil prices. Weakness throughout technology, though, was the biggest thorn in the market's side today. And now for our small cap news, brought to you today by Novori Incorporated. Founded in 2004, Novori Incorporated is a publicly traded independent online jewelry retailer with headquarters in Bellingham, Washington, with operations in California, USA. During the next few days, the QualityStocks.net Daily will be profiling the companies that will be presenting at the Red Chip Small Cap Investor Conference in San Francisco, California, May 29th and 30th, 2007, in recognition of what we consider in the small cap world to be a tremendous event to take part in. Tank Sports announced an update recently on the integration progress of the company's post-acquisition of Red Cat Motors. Now, Red Cat Motors is an importer and distributor of off-road power sports products from China. Minera Andes Incorporated announced last month that the results of the 2006 exploration program yielded increased silver and gold reserves by approximately 71% from the reserves announced in the news release of October 24, 2005. The company also announced that a second wave of production is scheduled to commence in the Santa Cruz province, southern Argentina, starting in the second quarter of this year. The goal of the drilling program is to add new reserves and resources and to identify new veins that will increase mine life and facilitate the expansion of production at the San Jose project. And it's a short one. That's it for our newsmakers today. Stay tuned right here to Quality Stocks Daily for the latest commentary on small cap to large cap and everything in between, brought to you by QualityStocks.net. Also, make sure you don't miss the Quality Stocks Daily newsletter, which is available each trading day through QualityStocks.net. Thanks for tuning in. Have a great Memorial Day weekend, and we'll see you again next week on the Daily Report.
This transmission is coming to you.
You've got it.